Hi Aryan, welcome on YourPedia.
Hi, sir.
Okay, so Aryan, you are doing your masters in BITS planning. You are a computer engineer, and today I'll be interacting with you to know more about the entire process to get admission in BITS planning, the prestigious institute, and also like there are two routes we know. One is through GATE, another is through HD. And this year, maximum students who are writing GATE exam are from computer science background, and they're looking for higher educational opportunities. So, in that regard, we are going to discuss today. So, Aryan, I'll first go with your background. Please brief us about that. Tell us from which part of India you are, and from where you've done your graduation, that is BTech, and what was your GATE journey, and then we proceed forward.
Yes, sir. I'm from Ghaziabad,
Mm,
and I pursued my BTech in Computer Science Engineering with specialization in blockchain from
mm,
VIT Vellore.
good.
And I joined in 2021, and I passed out in 2025. Um, Sometime around 2024, I decided that I will give GATE, and
Mm,
I attempted GATE in my third year itself, just to see where I will end up. And
mm,
I got a score of around 400. So I thought that yeah, I can properly prepare for this exam for my fourth year.
mm,
So I went with that, and I got a gate score of 589. I also gave other exams like PGEE and BITS HD, and
mm,
I got when I was applying for BITS, I applied through gate score and HD both channels.
mm,
So
mm, mm,
through my gate score, in I think in the first round, I got embedded systems
mm,
in with PILANI.
mm,
But then as the round proceeded, I got software systems in BITS
mm,
PILANI itself. So then,
mm,
because I'm not from an electrical background, I'm from a computer science background. So I preferred
mm,
software systems over
mm,
embedded.
mm. Okay. So, Aryan, please tell us more about HD exam also. When is this, if you have roughly some idea, when is this advertised and what are the, how to write it? What is the component of HD exam? So please tell us about that HD exam also.
It's advertised around April or May, I guess. It's like
Okay.
after Gate, yeah, and
Mm,
that's when you have to apply and give it. And it is the format is fairly different from Gate itself.
okay.
There's a special section for mathematics. There's a
Mm,
computer science section. In fact, if you're applying for software systems,
mm,
which is a branch under the computer science department, there
mm.
is a different section that you have to attempt. There is
Okay.
a section that everybody who is applying for computer science has to attempt, and if you
Mm,
also want to apply for software systems, there's an
mm,
additional section that you have
mm.
to attempt. The paper for
Okay.
me was for 3.5 hours or so.
हम्म। So HD एग्जाम का कंपोनेंट क्या होता है? What is typically asked in HD एग्जाम?
एचडी एग्जाम में एक तो कंप्यूटर साइंस बेसिक्स जैसे कि गेट में पूछे जाते हैं,
ओके।
वही ओएस नेटवर्क डीबीएमएस, बेसिकली द सेम सिलेबस,
ओके।
प्लस जो सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम्स वाला कंपोनेंट है उसमें दे आस्क मोर अबाउट एक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट, जैसे बैक एंड फ्रंट एंड वगैरह के रैंडम क्वेश्चंस होते हैं बहुत सारे, और दे आस्क अबाउट लिनक्स, दे आस्क अबाउट बेसिकली दैट इज द कंपोनेंट जो कि आई बिलीव किसी वर्क एक्स वाले बंदे को ज्यादा बेनिफिट करेगा, because they have worked in the industry and they will be able to answer those questions better because they are more development centered and not theoretical. So yeah.
Aryan, GATE is an exam of 3 hours and despite of your very good preparation, maybe कि आपका GATE score उतना ना hit करे. So there are so many students who aspire to get into top institutes like BITS Pilani through their own exams like HD or Triple IT Hyderabad. We have that's a different exam for them. So GATE के बाद ऐसे candidates जो जिनका GATE score अच्छा ना आए और वो BITS Pilani वगैरह जाना चाहें, how they can focus and prepare for HD and कितनी सीट्स होती हैं जो HD के थ्रू मिल सकती हैं?
एचडी में अभी जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम्स जो ब्रांच है उसमें सिर्फ एचडी के थ्रू ही आते हैं बच्चे.
ओके।
They don't come through gate. So there are
अच्छा।
35 seats that are there for bits just for bits HD.
ओके। हम्म।
So that is there. On top of that, even if you want to go in computer science, you
हम्म।
can go through bits HD itself. उसके लिए
हम्म।
दो चैनल होते हैं, एचडी भी होता है और गेट भी होता
हम्म।
है.
So can you tell me, like for computer graduate, what are the specializations available in BITS Pilani? आपने सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम एक बताया, और कौन
जी.
कौन से कोर्सेज हैं जो कंप्यूटर साइंस वाले कैंडिडेट्स के लिए हैं?
आप कंप्यूटर साइंस कर सकते हो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहले, फिर सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम्स है, उसके बाद
हाँ जी।
आप एम्बेडेड कर सकते हो,
हम्म।
एंड मेनली इसी पे फोकस करते हैं ज्यादातर। बाकी आप आई थिंक इलेक्ट्रिकल के भी कुछ ओपन होते हैं जिसमें कि मतलब मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी होते हैं जिसमें कोई भी
So
ज्वाइन
we
कर
don't
सकता है।
have courses related to AI and all.
नहीं, देर आर नॉट लाइक अंडर द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस देयर इज ओनली कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम्स।
Okay. Hmm. So,
या
so are there any other courses where admission is only through HD?
नो, इट्स जस्ट एसएस,
Hmm.
सॉफ्टवेयर
Okay.
सिस्टम्स वेयर द एडमिशन इज ओनली थ्रू एचडी।
Okay. And now I will request you to tell us something about software systems also. So those who are listening to you and want to know what is software systems, please tell them about this also.
Okay. So in software systems, I'll tell you, I think the subjects themselves will give you a good idea ki hota kya kya hai. So in the first semester, we were taught software engineering management,
Okay.
object-oriented analysis and design,
Mm-hmm.
data mining,
Mm-hmm.
and we had to pick an elective in which I picked advanced computer networks. So on the other hand, computer science wale jo bache the, they had to study algorithms and so and so. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
we focus more on the theoretical side of software making. Like we were
Okay.
taught COCOMO models, we were taught basically the process of managing the
Okay.
कि जो सॉफ्टवेयर बनता है तो उसमें कितना टाइम
Mm-hmm.
लगता है और कितना आपको क्या टारगेट लेके चलना है वगैरह वगैरह। राइट,
Mm-hmm.
इट इज लाइक मेथोडोलॉजीज क्या क्या होती है सॉफ्टवेयर बिल्ड करने की, लाइक देयर इज agile एंड सो ऑन सो फोर्थ। राइट, वो कि
Mm-hmm.
इंडस्ट्री में जब आप जाते हो तो वो
Mm-hmm.
एक्चुअली बिल्ड कैसे करते हैं उसको।
Mm-hmm.
दिस इज रिलेटिवली मोर थियोरेटिकल एज कम्पेयर टू कंप्यूटर साइंस
Mm-hmm.
itself, बट या
Mm-hmm.
और
Okay. Mm.
आर्किटेक्चर के ऊपर फोकस होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्चर जैसे हमारा अभी एक सब्जेक्ट होगा सेकंड सेमेस्टर में।
Okay.
या
Mm. Mm.
so yeah, and it is, yeah, I think that is the main difference, that we are given more instead of focusing us on the mathematical side of computer science, we focus more on the relatively theoretical side of computer science.
Okay. Okay, Aaron, now coming to GATE exam again, GATE score. So I'm sure you must have used your GATE score also to explore some opportunities. So can you share with us? And by the way, what was your CGPA in Vellore Institute undergrad, Aaron?
My CGPA in VIT Vellore was 8.3.
Oh,
Yeah.
so 8.3 and I think 500 के आसपास 590 के आसपास आपका GATE score था.
जी.
So Aaron, did you try for MS courses also in IITs?
Yes, I applied for MS courses in IITs. I got through in IIT Kharagpur space programs like throughout the rounds. I got through IIT BHU. There was this industry oriented industrial engineering, and then
Hmm.
there was the space program in IIT BHU. No, IIT Kanpur, I think, yeah. And
Okay.
apart from that, I applied for the uh, entrepreneurship program in IIT Hyderabad. Uh,
Okay. Mm.
yeah, so that I got through, and yeah, these were the main things. And for CCMT, I got Triple IT Lucknow, and I
Mm.
was also offered NIT Bhopal, I guess. I can't remember properly, but yeah,
Mm.
it was most probably Bhopal, AI in NIT Bhopal.
Okay. And what about the triple ITs? Did you try for triple IT Bangalore, triple IT Hyderabad, triple IT Allahabad, Delhi? Did you try triple ITs also? No.
Yeah, Triple IT, I applied for like I through CCMT itself. We get Triple IT Allahabad, right? And
Huh.
I applied for the Delhi examination because if the gate score was 600, then it's basically a given that you will get Triple IT Delhi. So I
Okay.
applied for the Triple IT Delhi exam, the MS course as well.
Okay.
I got through the interview and I was offered admission, but I did not go with that.
Okay.
And I also applied. I also gave PGEE, but
Okay.
that was like I could not clear the cutoff for that. So yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Now, Aryan, you applied in couple of courses like aerospace management and all. I would like to
Yes.
ask you, like, typically, other than computer science, artificial intelligence, and software systems, these kind of branches which are core for computer science, what other branches computer science graduates are eligible or they can go for? If you can, tell that on the basis of your experience.
So there are a lot of multidisciplinary branches. For example, as you mentioned that there is the space branch, the
Yeah.
industrial engineering
Mm.
branches.
Yeah.
There are a lot of bioengineering branches that you are eligible
Mm.
for, and
Mm.
then there are a lot of newer upcoming branches. There are management branches. For example, there was this Triple IT Hyderabad, the
Data science and
entrepreneurship
all.
branches.
Mm.
Yeah, data
Mm.
science and all. That is a given. That naturally, if you're a computer science student, you'll be able to apply for AI and data science and other roles.
Mm.
So
Mm.
yeah, these are things that people can apply for. They mostly overlook. People do not look at these branches, and they don't have an idea that they'll be able to apply for that. But I had joined the counseling, so I knew that we're
Mm.
supposed to apply to these
Mm.
places as well, just to have
Okay.
a shot. Yeah.
Okay. Arun, any idea you have about other campuses of the BITS, like BITS Goa, BITS Hyderabad? Any idea about these campuses?
Yeah, they're nice.
Okay,
I mean,
so no, my question was relevant for, I mean, courses in computer science. Like you
hmm.
mentioned about the courses in BITS planning. I want to ask, like, any idea about the various courses for computer science graduates in these campuses also? They are same or anything different?
They're mostly similar, but SS, for example, is a branch that is specific to the Pilani campus. It's not there for the
Okay.
Hyderabad campus or the Goa campus.
Hmm.
It's just
Hmm.
for there for the Penali campus, and it's been like this for I think a couple of decades or whenever this program was introduced.
Okay.
So that, and apart
Hmm.
from that, yeah, apart from that, it's basically the same.
Okay. Now coming to fee structure and scholarships and all, Aryan. So you have GATE score with you. You have HD score also. HD you qualified. So I've heard that in BITS planning you get scholarship also if you do a masters, and GATE scholarship भी होता है, HD के through भी कुछ मिलता है. Fee structure कितना होता है? Please tell about that also.
ओके सो अगर आप कंप्यूटर साइंस में हो और आपने क्योंकि एसएस में तो सारे बच्चे बिट्स एचडी के थ्रू आ रहे हैं. So
हाँ
they
जी.
are paid a stipend of 12,400 per month.
Okay.
12,000, 13,400 if you're applying through HD. You have an option.
अच्छा.
You can pick either the gate stipend जो कि government देगा, या फिर आप
हम्म.
बिट्स एचडी वाली stipend ले सकते हो जो कि the college gives. You can pick either of
हम्म.
them. So
हम्म.
it's 1,000 extra you get if you pick the college stipend. But वो ऐसा
हम्म.
होता है कि वो जब छुट्टी का महीना चल रहा होता है तो वो गवर्नमेंट वाली फिर भी आती है, बट वो कॉलेज वाली रुक
हम्म.
जाती है उस एक महीने के लिए, तो वो बराबर पड़
हम्म.
जाता है अमाउंट बेसिकली.
हम्म.
और बट इफ यूर कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट जो कि गेट के थ्रू आया है, देन यू गेट ड्यूअल स्टाइपेंड. यू गेट बोथ द बिट्स एचडी स्टाइपेंड एज वेल एज द गेट स्टाइपेंड. राइट,
Okay.
बट मेरा क्योंकि सिलेक्शन बिट्स एचडी के थ्रू हुआ है, तो आई
हम्म.
विल ओनली गेट द बिट्स एचडी स्टाइपेंड दैट इज 12,400 or 13,400 depending upon which one I pick. Otherwise it could be, if I gotten through gate, it could be around 25,000, 26,000 or so.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
And
what
the
about the fee
fee,
structure?
yeah. So the fee structure, for example, I just paid my second semester ki fees around a week ago or so, right?
Mm.
So that was 3,25,000 for the tuition fees for a semester,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right? And on top of that, you have the hostel fees, etc., etc. That is relatively nominal, but yeah, that is the main part of it is 3,25,000. But yeah.
तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें पूरा मास्टर्स में फीस ट्यूशन फी हॉस्टल का मिला के 12 से 15 लाख के बीच में पड़ेगा, राइट?
हाँ, 12, लाइक आप 13 से 15 मान सकते हो. या.
10 to 15. ठीक है. एंड दिस इज द स्कॉलरशिप एंड दिस इज द फी स्ट्रक्चर फॉर अस.
या.
And I have heard that BITS has a unique that model of internships. Like आपका
यस.
internships लग जाता है. Please tell us about that also.
ऑलराइट. सो बिट्स में जैसे मैंने अभी एंटर करा, तो
हम्म.
अपॉर्चुनिटीज एक तो होता है समर इंटर्नशिप,
हाँ जी.
या जो कि मेरा सेकेंड सेमेस्टर के बाद लगेगा. 2 महीने की इंटर्नशिप होगी, उसके लिए आई कैन अप्लाई एंड सिट फॉर. ठीक है,
हम्म.
वो आई कैन आइदर डू और नॉट डू, बट दैट्स गुड टू हैव ऑफ कोर्स, एंड इफ यू आर एबल टू कन्वर्ट दैट्स नाइस. अनदर ऑप्शन क्या, अनदर थिंग दैट वी हैव टू डू इज फोर्थ सेमेस्टर में वी हैव दिस थिंग कॉल्ड प्रैक्टिस स्कूल.
हम्म.
Practice schools में basically companies kind of collaborate with bits, or
हम्म. हम्म.
the companies come in on for the third semester, and they can either offer just PPOs. They can also offer both PPOs and practice school offers, or just practice school offers. Practice school
हम्म.
is basically a 6 month internship that is compulsory to do.
Okay. हम्म.
ठीक है, और
हम्म.
even if you end up not getting an internship in the third semester, suppose किसी का by लाइक बाय चांस नहीं हो पाता है, अगर थर्ड सेमेस्टर में वो इंटर्नशिप असाइन थ्रू इंटरव्यूज, तो सीजीपीए
Hmm.
के थ्रू आपको डायरेक्टली असाइन हो जाती है
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
इंटर्नशिप।
Okay. Hmm.
इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ योर सीजीपीए यू फुल इन योर प्रेफरेंसेस कि आपको कौन सी
Hmm.
कंपनी चाहिए, तो उसके
Hmm.
हिसाब से आपको कंपनी असाइन हो जाती है कि हाँ आपको यहाँ पे
Hmm.
इंटर्नशिप करनी है। सो
Hmm.
दैट इज बेसिकली अ सिक्योरिटी दैट इज यूनिक टू बिट्स, बिकॉज
Okay.
कि आपको मिलेगा ही मिलेगा, इवन इफ लाइक अगर आपका
Hmm.
इंटरव्यू का भी सिनेरियो,
Hmm.
सपोज इफ यू आर अनलकी इन दैट सिनेरियो, सो या।
Hmm. Okay. Now, Aryan, what about the campus life in this planning?
It's incredible. It's actually like the shift that I felt from my BTech experience to this experience is it's very free. It's
Okay.
very it has kept me constantly busy, and my friends and family have complained that I've not like I've cut down on their time, but then I say that I don't
Hmm.
have it. Right?
You are relishing, huh?
Yeah,
Enjoying.
it's fun. Yes, it's
Okay,
fun.
wonderful, wonderful. Aryan, now, last thing is about the placements and the job opportunities. Please tell us about that also.
Okay. So the median hovers around 21 or 20 or 21, 22 or so on and so forth as the
Hmm.
years go on. And
Hmm.
opportunities are, for example, Nvidia just came in. There are
Okay,
companies that come specifically for MTechs, and
okay,
most of the companies they come for both BTechs and MTechs.
okay.
But yeah, but there are also companies that come specifically for MTechs. As
Hmm.
of now, we have a guy who was just picked up by Texas Instruments
Hmm.
for a summer internship, which if
Hmm.
converted will give around 44 LPA. And
Hmm.
apart from that, I just interviewed for MongoDB for the
Hmm.
project manager role, and
Hmm.
yeah, so that is going on. And so there are a lot of opportunities that they constantly come in for the summer internships,
Okay,
and this is in the first semester itself,
okay,
like right as you join. So
okay.
one tip for anybody who's looking to join bits is be prepared before you join bits itself. You have a lot of free time, so make sure you brush up on your DSA and all those basics. Um, yeah, so yeah, there's no lack of opportunities. They come in for SI, and then in the third semester you'll have a lot of opportunities for the PPU and for the practice school itself. So yeah,
So you said 35 is the strength of your this master's program.
no,
So,
that is SS only, and then there
hmm,
are around 25 students in computer science as well. So the
okay,
total computer science department has around 60
60.
students. Yeah.
Okay. So, Aryan, then in SS only, out of 35, how many candidates have gate score with them? I mean, there will be some candidates without any gate.
Yeah, I mean, there are candidates. Everybody basically has a gate score with them because
Hmm.
everybody attempted gate. But
Okay.
a significant gate score is with like I think 10 to 15 students out of these.
Okay. Hmm, hmm.
Yeah,
So I was trying to dig in for the those candidates who do not have gate score. I mean, do they
yeah.
also stand chance to clear HD and get into really prestigious courses like SS?
Definitely, because there are people I know who did not basically show up as well as they did for gate because they have like
Oh,
350 gate score. But
hmm.
then they did their best for bits HD and here they are and they're enjoying
Good
their
to
life
know.
here.
Hmm.
So yeah,
So, Aryan, now we have reached to the end of this session, and it was wonderful, really wonderful information from your side. Any advice, piece of advice you want to give to prospective your juniors who are looking forward to join BITS planning, or all the students who will be traveling the journey of post gate, applications and all. Anything, any advice you want to give them?
Mainly what I would say is make sure you do not give up because at one point of time when my result came by, I was thinking that maybe इतना अच्छा कॉलेज नहीं मिलेगा, शायद ड्रॉप लेना पड़ेगा, ये करना पड़ेगा, वो करना पड़ेगा. So basically, in every stage of the process, give your best. Even in the counseling stage, जितना कर
Hmm.
सकते हो, जहां हाथ पैर मार सकते हो मारो, ताकि कुछ like you figure out the best opportunities that you have. So
Very
instead
good.
of sulking कि हाँ gate score कम आया, just keep working on something or the other, and you'll find a way out. Most probably is all.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you should not, quit the process. You should complete the process. That is very, very important. So
Yeah.
Aryan, and let me thank you once again, Aryan. You spared the time and gave the so relevant, so meticulous, so to the point information to the students. I am very sure that it is going to help a lot of students over there who aspire to get into prestigious institutes like BITS Planning. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.